for our next destination. Jeannie's getting us tickets at the Romantic Train ticket counter. And that's where we're going to be taking you next, is the Romantic Train ride.
Ooh la la! We're doing the reserve seat.
Yes.
And not standing.
So we got our tickets in the reserve section. However, it's really sold out, so our ticket's not until 1 o'clock, and it's about 11 right now. So we're going to go find something, maybe a restaurant or something to sit down at and waste some time. We are back after spending 2 hours walking around, and went to Rickshaw Cafe to have a little iced coffee. And our reservation was at 1 o'clock. Yep, don't mind us. Just jump ahead. Do whatever you want. So begins the Sagano Romantic Train ride. Thank you. 15, 13. See how I was going to bum rush it?
Yeah.
Right. Here's your water.
We're going to sit backwards.
That's alright. This guy was going to bum rush us. Me first. Wrong. And here we go on another adventure. You know how much we love train rides. Organized and friendly. Just as an FYI, Jeannie and I got very, very lucky because the seats that were assigned to us were side by side. Nobody was on this side, so we ended up with these two seats facing each other at no extra charge. Where you can see, I'll flip this camera around. You can see that wasn't the case for a lot of other people. Even the bum rusher got its own 4 seats, price of 1. Can I do this? No? No? No. Gotcha. Just asked permission from this guy if I can stick the camera out. He said, no, you get your arm chopped off. Like in Thailand. That video I showed you. Unbeknownst to us, there are other stops, so we'll be picking up more people, and I'm sure these seats are soon going to be occupied.
That's right. They are.
Huh?
They are.
Okay.
Better move over now.
Are they coming here?
Yes.
Okay. There you go. Hello. You'll be on YouTube. We're going to be traversing the river. For the most part. And as you can see, there's people who are rafting, like inflatable kayaks. It is beautiful. Give you a shot down that way. They're waving. That boat right there is actually what we're going to do on the way back. It is a little, this is not like the bullet train, it is a lot of vibration here, as you can hear. And there you have it, that's the ride. It was nice meeting you two. See you on YouTube. So after the train, you go left underneath the tunnel, and you'll end up there, and then walk over here to the bus. You get on the bus with the sushi card, and he'll take you to the boat. Isn't that right? That's the tunnel I was talking about. Go right through there and come out and take a right and get on a bus. That's how you roll to the boat for the way back. Okay. See? You can actually, you don't even have to have your phone unlocked to do this. You can just hold it right up. For about a 10-minute, would you say about 10-minute bus ride? We arrived here at the boat station, and they're pretty organized. They actually have people here who tell you exactly what to do and where to go, and they speak English as an added bonus value. As you can see, very, very organized. Guys like him will help you. Ladies like that will help you. And then you get your tickets. Thank you. Thank you. He hooked us up with boarding spot A, which is probably towards the front of the boat. Thank you. Arigato.
Very windy.
Mm-hmm. So where they unload them, you see the crane over there, I don't know if this footage will pick it up, but they have trucks that bring 4 boats at a time on a truck, and then they unload them with that crane upriver, and then they come down here. Pre-boarding, safety check, and guidelines. We don't need this. So what happened here is when we were in line, we were talking with the guy, and he brought over an English-speaking lady. We gave him a couple of our spontaneous today stickers, and all of a sudden they realized we were YouTubers, and they decided to put us in the very front of the boat to film, to videotape this experience and share it with all those that are going to come in the future as a result of our video.
And they said they would even put it on the television screen here at the boarding gate at the terminal.
Please keep your hands inside the boat. Okay, danger. No standing in the boat. Okay. Now, start on it. Let's go.
2 rules. No standing, and keep your hands in the boat. That's it.
Starting. Yeah.
We opted for the long boat because we didn't want to put on the life preservers and go into like a 6-man raft and do that. But you can certainly do that on it, and there's nothing wrong with it. It's just we didn't feel like doing that today. We wanted to relax towards the end of the day, take this nice scenic. It's called the Romantic Boat Ride.
Oh.
And we're going to enjoy this. So, like I was saying before, the other option, these rafts are the other option. If you want to, you can do that.
But you have to row yourself.
during this ride. They pull up, and you can get yourself something to eat. You want squid? They got squid.
That's it? That's the end of the line? This is where we get
Thank
off.
you very much. This is where we get off.
そうしたらライフジャケットを外してください。ほんで、
And that wraps up our riverboat tour.
Another adventure. Thank you for coming along.
I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.
If you found any value in this, please give us a thumbs up.